Today we will start physical properties of alcohols. The molecule of alcohol has polar nature. This is because of the more electronegative nature of the oxygen compared to the hydrogen and the carbon atom, due to which oxygen will be slightly negative while hydrogen and the carbon will be slightly positive. So this gives the polar nature to the alcohol molecule, and besides this, like the water molecule, the structure of alcohol molecule is bent structure like this. It has the bent structure like this, and because of this bent structure and this polar nature, these two features will strongly affect the physical and chemical properties of the alcohols. Let's discuss them. First we will start with the physical state. Now when we say physical state, the lower members of alcohols are colorless liquids. Lower members are colorless liquids with alcoholic smell and the burning taste, while the higher members are waxy solids, colorless waxy solids. And second physical property which we will discuss is the presence of associated molecule or existence as the associated molecules. Means alcohols exist like the associated molecules. When we say associated molecules, we will have to discuss the hydrogen bonding. Since because of the more electronegative atom of oxygen as compared to H and C, there will be formation of the H bonding in the molecules of the alcohol. How? Oxygen R and H now, because more electronegative oxygen is with the hydrogen atom, therefore what we will see is there will be intermolecular hydrogen bonding that will be seen in the alcohols like this, and due to which they will exist like the associated molecules. They will be not existing as the monomeric molecules, but they are associated molecules because of the extensive intermolecular H bonding. And third property which we will discuss is the boiling point. When we say boiling point, their boiling point is more as compared to the hydrocarbons of the comparable molecular mass. They have the higher boiling points. This is again attributed to the H bonding, intermolecular hydrogen bonding that is present, and due to which more energy has to be given to break this hydrogen bonding, and so the boiling points of alcohols will be more. And for the isomeric alcohols, their order of boiling points will be that primary will have more H bonding compared to secondary, compared to tertiary, and this is the order of the boiling point in the isomeric alcohols, and this is because the primary molecules have, or the primary alcohols will have the presence of H bonding to more extent as compared to secondary and tertiary, due to which their boiling point will be more. And when we talk about the molecular weights, with increase in the molecular weight, the boiling point will increase with the increased molecular weight. So we have discussed boiling point, and now we will discuss the solubility. When we say solubility, the solubility of alcohols is they are soluble in water. Solubility of alcohols, they are soluble in water. This is again because of the formation of the H bonding with the water molecule. How? The oxygen of water will form the H bonding with the H of this alcohol. In this way, there will be formation of the intermolecular hydrogen bonding in the water molecule and the alcoholic water molecule and the alcohols. Slightly positive, slightly negative, slightly positive, slightly negative, and due to which they will be soluble in water. And it has been seen when for the upper molecular weight with alcohols, this solubility will be decreased. This is because the hydrocarbon part, that is this part, non-polar hydrocarbon part, will have the character dominating with the upper molecular weight with alcohols, and therefore they will be less soluble. And when we say for isomeric alcohols, solubility will increase with increase in the branching. For isomeric, solubility will decrease. Solubility will increase as with the branching. Because with branching, the surface area of the non-polar part will decrease, and due to which the boiling point will increase. And the last point is density. When we say density, the density of alcohols is lesser than water, and it will increase with the molecular weight, and increase with the molecular weight. Now we have discussed the physical properties of alcohols, in which we have discussed that alcohols have the polar nature and they have the bent structure, and because of this bent structure and the polar nature, they have the physical and chemical properties strongly affected, and in which we have discussed the associated molecule existence of the alcohol molecules as the associated molecules because of the extensive intermolecular H bonding. And then we have seen the boiling points. We have seen that the boiling points are more as compared to any other hydrocarbon of the comparable molecular mass. And then we have discussed the solubility, which was also because of the formation of the intermolecular H bonding with water. They are soluble in water, and for the isomerics, solubility will increase with the branching. And when we say density, this is lesser as compared to water, and as the molecular weight will increase, this will also, density will also increase. That's all for the physical properties of the alcohols.